Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to hide any app on your iPhone without needing any additional software. It is very simple to do, so let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to your settings, then tap on General and select Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Once your iPhone is updated, follow these steps. Press and hold on the app you want to hide. Tap on Require Face ID and enable it to hide the app. Once the app is hidden, go to your app library, scroll down, and at the bottom you will find a section called Hidden. Tap on it and it will ask for your Face ID. After unlocking with Face ID, you can choose to unhide the app whenever you need to. That's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.